There are multiple ways to add a domain into your Bluehost account. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to get it done. So stick close and let's dive in. So to connect a domain right over here to your Bluehost website, there are a few options. If you're going to domain on the left-hand side, you can see there's an option to add a domain over here. So let us search for Bob. Now, if Bob is not available, it'll give you a few options that are available. So this would require you to make a purchase of a domain. Okay, it'll give you the option of a bunch of different extensions such as .com, .net, and so forth. Once you've chosen a website domain, you can go and click on add to cart and make that purchase. Now, if you already have a domain and you would like to connect it to your Bluehost, so this is the website, and we're going to use these three dots and we're going to go to settings. In these settings over here, you'll come over to the right hand side. Right at the top, you'll see domain, and here there will be an add domain. Here you can add the domain. So let us say bob.com. Given that this actually exists, we're going to click on continue, and from here you'll see bob.com. And there is no SSL. What we're going to do here is click on finish setup, and depending on where you purchased this domain, you will now go and log into the registrar of the domain, and then you're going to add the following Bluehost names to that server. So you'll see this and that, and you'll add it in, and you're going to click on verify connection, and this could take some time to take effect, so your domain may not be available or active immediately.